Today, I am reviewing the Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool small window air conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you have ever spent a humid summer night tossing and turning because your bedroom feels like a sauna, you know that a window air conditioner is not a luxury, it is a necessity. I have been testing out the Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool unit for the past few weeks, and I have some honest thoughts on whether this budget-friendly machine is actually worth the window space. You can check the links below the video to explore the product or see the current pricing, but let's get into the reality of living with this thing. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how compact this unit is. It is genuinely small, which is a blessing if you're living in an apartment or working with a cramped home office. Installation was straightforward, but I do want to give you a heads up that you will need your own screwdriver. The kit includes the necessary mounting hardware, but they do not provide the tool itself. If you are handy, you will have this in the window in about 20 minutes. If you're not, just make sure you have someone to help you hold the weight while you secure the side panels. Speaking of the side panels, they are standard accordion-style plastic. They get the job done, but they are not exactly heavy-duty, so you might want to consider adding a little extra weather stripping if you live in a particularly noisy or windy area. Once I got it running, I was pleasantly surprised by the cooling power. It is rated for 150 square feet, and in my small home office, it brought the temperature down significantly within about 15 minutes. There are 7 temperature settings and 2 fan speeds, which is perfectly adequate for a room this size. It is not going to cool your entire apartment, so do not buy this expecting it to cover your living room and kitchen at the same time. This is a dedicated, single-room solution. The mechanical controls are a bit of a throwback. There is no remote control and no digital display, which might be a deal breaker for some of you who want to change settings from bed. You have to walk over to the unit and physically turn the dial. Honestly, I found this kind of refreshing. There is nothing to glitch out, no complex menu to navigate, and nothing that is going to fail after a year of heavy use. It is simple, tactile, and it works. However, the lack of a thermostat display means you are basically guessing your temperature based on the dial position, so you will have to find your personal sweet spot through trial and error over the first few days. Now, let's talk about noise, because that is usually the biggest concern with these smaller units. Midea claims it is quieter than a refrigerator. In my testing, I found that to be mostly accurate. It has a steady, rhythmic hum that actually acts as a pretty good white noise machine. It is not silent, and you will definitely know when the compressor kicks on, but it is not that jarring, rattling sound you get from older or cheaper window units. If you are a very light sleeper, you might still notice the cycling, but for most people, it is background noise that fades away pretty quickly. Where this unit really shines is value. If you look at the links below to see the current price, you will see that it is one of the most affordable ways to get a reliable, name-brand cooling solution. It has an energy efficiency rating that is quite solid for a unit at this price point, so it should not absolutely destroy your electric bill throughout the summer. I have been keeping an eye on the power usage, and it seems very efficient for what it is. However, I have to be honest about the limitations. First, the filter maintenance is easy because it is removable and reusable, but you have to stay on top of it. Because the unit is small, the airflow can get restricted pretty fast if you let dust build up. I noticed a drop in performance after about 2 weeks of constant use, but a quick rinse of the filter under the kitchen tap fixed it right up. Second, the air direction is limited. You have two-way adjustment, but it is not as precise as some of the more expensive units with motorized louvers. You're going to have to manually push the fins to get the air pointing exactly where you want it. Who should buy this? If you are a student, a renter, or someone who just needs to cool a small bedroom or a home office without spending a fortune, this is a fantastic choice. It is reliable, it is built well enough to handle daily use, and it is compact. You are paying for the core function of cooling without paying for fancy bells and whistles that you probably do not need anyway. Who should avoid this? If you are looking for something to cool a large living room, if you need a remote control to operate the unit from across the room, or if you need precise digital temperature control, this is not the right fit for you. You would be better off spending the extra money on a higher-end unit with smart features or more BTU capacity. Overall, the Midea 5000 BTU EasyCool is a no-nonsense appliance. It does exactly what it says on the box. It cools a small space efficiently, it is easy to maintain, and it is priced fairly. It is not going to win any awards for design or advanced technology, but when it is 90 degrees outside and you are sitting in a cool room, that really does not matter. If you're interested in grabbing one, remember to check the links below the video to see the current pricing and availability. It is a solid, practical investment for the summer months as long as you keep your expectations aligned with the size and the price of the unit. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make a better decision for your home.